Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find PIES on Trading212. And if you want to find PIES on Trading212, you need to change from your CFD account to your invest account and then click right here, practice with virtual money, because I want to practice right here. But now we are here on the investing account. And that means that we now can go to PIES, because if you click right here on our PIE option, or sorry, my portfolio option, and we scroll a little bit to this section right here, you see that I created one PIE. You can create a PIE if you want to do that, but this is the place where you can find your PIEs. So if you want to create a PIE, you can select right here, create, and then you can search for PIEs, but you can also create a custom. Then we do Apple, we do Microsoft, and we do Nvidia, and then we do continue. And then now we can decide for how much we want to get it in the PIE. So Nvidia for 50%, Microsoft for this, and then let's do right here 15% of Apple. Now we have 100%. Then we can do next. We call this one Flux2, create PIE, and now we created right here a PIE for ourselves. So this is where you can find your PIEs and where you can create PIEs. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.